Welcome students to lesson number 2 Human Body, second video. In the previous class, we learned many cells join together to form tissues. Our body has external and internal organs. Cells are the building blocks of our body. Organs that work to perform a common function form an organ system. Skeletal system gives shape to our body, helps us to move and protects some of our organs. Muscular system help us to move. The digestive system helps us to digest the food. Today we are going to study about some other systems. Now, next is the excretory system. Excretory system helps to remove waste materials from the body. A pair of kidneys, lungs, and skin are the excretory organs. Now, let's see about the kidneys first. Kidneys are located in the abdomen. A pair of kidneys, they filter the blood and remove waste in the form of urine. This urine is carried by thin tubes called ureters into the bag-like structure called as urinary bladder. From the urinary bladder, urine is given out through the body by the small opening called urethra. Next is lungs. Lungs take in oxygen and they gives out carbon dioxide, which is a kind of waste generated in our body. Next excretory organ is skin. Student, you might have observed when there is hot, we start sweating. What is this sweating? Sweat is nothing but the salt and water present in our body. Our skin removes waste in the form of sweat. Next system we are going to study about is the nervous system. Nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord and nerves. Brain is the master of our body. Brain controls and coordinates with all the systems present in our body. Nerves are help to give the messages to the brain from body parts, as well as they also collect message from brain and give it to various body parts. Spinal cord help to link brain and the nerves. Now, when you feel pain, when we are having injury, we feel pain. How? When we cause any kind of injury, nerves carry the message to the spinal cord and then the spinal cord carry it further to the brain. Now, brain replies to spinal cord and nerves and tell your muscles that it causes pain. Next system we are going to study about is circulatory system. Circulatory system comprises of heart and blood vessels. Blood is running in the blood vessels. Heart pumps blood throughout our body. Blood carry oxygen and nutrients present in the food to various parts of our body. Blood also collect carbon dioxide and other kind of waste generated at various body parts and carry them towards the excretory organs. Next system is the respiratory system. Children, in the respiratory system, we take in air from our nose. This air is called as inhaled air, and the process is called as inhalation. This inhaled air is rich in oxygen. It moves from the nose towards the lungs through the pipe called as trachea or windpipe. When the air containing oxygen reach lungs absorb oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide into the air. This air which contains the carbon dioxide gives out of the nose by the process of exhalation. Now you can see here, when we inhale and when we exhale, how our lungs move. Just put your hand on your chest. What happens? Your hand go up and down. This is because when we inhale, our lungs get inflated. That means they become bigger. Whereas when we exhale, our lungs contracts and deflate. Now here you can see how heart and lungs are working together. As I told you before, that blood carries waste product in the form of carbon dioxide and it gives to the lungs, and here lungs take in carbon dioxide and gives out in the form of exhale air, and it also gives oxygen to the blood to supply it throughout our body. Now let's summarize what we have learned in today's class. We have learned the excretory system helps to get rid of waste from the body. The nervous system guides us in all our actions. The circulatory system supplies blood and nutrients to every parts of the body. It also collects waste from the body to the excretory organs. The respiratory system helps to take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide.